So I am on year one of the Theatre for Community and Education course. I have a background in youth work and I've done a lot of like musical theatre clubs and drama clubs with young people. And I kind of wanted to go to that next step and learn what my practice could be as a freelance and eventually hopefully doing a theatre company in the future. And this course has been unbelievably helpful for that because it's been practical, it's been embedded in a lot of theory, and we've had a lot of practitioners and people from the theatre world come in and talk to us. Two of those that particularly stood out to me were, we had someone called Patrick Collier, who was a producer, come and talk to us about all things like business and managing and being a producer. So he talked us through like Excel spreadsheets, what does a producer actually look like, and kind of what does a theatre company structure like entail. And all of us on the course were completely amazed at all the information that he had to share with us. And it was really helpful, like practically for the future. We also had Clean Break come and speak to us, and they work with women involved in the criminal justice system or have been in prison. And the whole 2 days that we have with them were amazing because they went through different practices that they do with the women and work with the women on. So we had like a monologue and we used that as a base for like creative writing, which was really inspiring. And we also looked at a lot about trauma-informed practice and how important that is. And for someone who wants to work in youth work and around young people with and doing theatre with them, that was really helpful.